इस बीच आइए प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में शिरकत करते हैं आरबीआई की।
Policy statement more dovish than expected, and their reasoning was, if you look at your inflation forecasts, it is above 5% for almost 1 year. That means well above your target by 100 basis points, well above the given target. As well, the real rate therefore becomes negative for a better part of the next 6 months or so. So is it that you are going to concentrate on core inflation, and when you deduct, you're looking at T-bill? If you take the T-bill 1 year ahead and deduct the 1 year ahead core, only then you come somewhere near a real rate of 1.4. I mean, are you going to be reconciled to a negative real rate or a very, very low real rate?
So let me first of all say, I mean, we are neither, dovish nor are we hawkish. We feel that this is the right policy rate for the given growth inflation dynamics that we are in today and the outlook that we have projected ourselves. There is a lot of uncertainty which will, of course, play out. The framework is very clear. I don't think there should be any confusion about the framework. Our target is headline. It's not core or core excluding pressure. It is the headline inflation, which is the target which has been given to us, and we'll continue to be guided by the headline inflation. And it will be our commitment, it is our endeavor to bring the headline inflation in line with the target over the medium term, as was mentioned even earlier. Now, why we look at core and core is because we need to know as to what the underlying inflation is and where headline or underlying inflation is going to converge going forward, because headline inflation, because of food and now because of fuel, because of the external shocks, can be very volatile. And so, as I mentioned even in the earlier press conference, that this volatility is not something that we would like to bring in even in our policy repo rate. So it's in the medium term that we target our policy medium term, target our headline inflation, and accordingly, we will take action as may be required, given the outlook and how the growth inflation dynamics play out.
Thank you, sir. We'll take some more questions from our left side before we come to this side. I'll now request Manojit Saha.
इस बीच हम आरबीआई की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में थे और लता मैम के प्रश्न में उन्होंने शुरू में जो कथन कहा, आई थिंक इस पॉलिसी के बाद अच्छा लगा मेरे को। ना हम हॉकिश न डॉविश कमेंट हमारे मान के चलिए आप ही। खैर बाकी